Something's happened lately, I feel my world go crazy. I won't be standing with my back against the wall. Took some time to make me understand, and maybe I realize this feeling's not so new at all. I knew there was something wrong. That's why I'm singing my happy song. Try to keep holding on, 'cause baby it's been too long. I'm singing my happy song. All that's left is wrong. I'm singing my happy song. My God, I'm feeling thankful. My life escaped the shameful life I was sharing with you all alone. Your love was never easy, there was no time to please me. Looking back, it chills me to the bone. I knew there was something wrong.